Chapter 2. The Supply. In this demonstration, the supply side of the system will be cleaned first. A 12-inch hole is cut using the adjustable Malco hole cutter shown here. If it is impossible to cut a 12-inch hole, cut the largest hole feasible, keeping in mind that the larger the hole, the better the airflow. If the duct is a duct board, use a utility knife to cut a 12-inch hole. The blade should be angled 45 degrees as shown here so you can achieve a good fit when replacing the whole piece. This is similar to cutting the top off a pumpkin. The access hole is generally cut into the plenum as high as possible above the coil or in the main duct close to the plenum. If the hole is cut into the plenum, it should be on the thin side of the coil. Be sure to cut the hole high enough so that the cutting bit does not damage the coil. It's a good idea to cover the coil with a tarp or piece of plastic to prevent debris from falling directly into the coil during the cleaning process. A QuickConnect adapter is screwed over the access holes using zip screws to hold it into place. Flexible ducting will attach to the QuickConnect collar and be held in place using the locking collar. Duct tape can be wrapped around the duct to attach the QuickConnect to the duct board. With downflow systems in a slab, it may not be possible to hook up on the plenum or the main duct because they may be in concrete. In that case, if all the branches come from the plenum, a hookup will need to be made at each vent. The reverse air sweep will then be run out to the plenum and pulled back to the hookup point. A small slit can be made in the vacuum duct to insert the air sweep, or a 1-inch hole can be drilled into the ring of the QuickConnect close to the base. When not in use, this hole can be sealed with a cap plug. If the main duct is coming off the plenum, a vent nearest the furnace can be used as a hookup point. Since you will not want to zip screw the QuickConnect to the wall or floor, you may need to tape the QuickConnect over the boot in the slab situations. Weights can be used to hold the QuickConnect over the floor mounted openings. Before beginning the cleaning process, mark all damper settings in the branches and the main ducts. All dampers should then be opened. With the DUCT-PRO PowerVac connected to the supply duct system, it can be turned on to create a strong airflow through the supply network of the duct system.